Have you heard that coral is the color of the year according to the folks at Pantone? And we have Lacy Coral as a brand new paper collection from hot off the press. Now you can see on this top sheet that this is going to set the tone for the entire collection of 12 papers. There are going to be 6 designs, 2 of each one. 6 times 2 is 12. Got that? They are all 80-pound weight paper, so it's a really nice, substantial paper. It's not cardstock because we don't want cardstock. We can get that elsewhere. So getting these, and the packaging is going to give you ideas. Again, hot off the press always does that. Card ideas, scrapbook page ideas, and then some related items that I'm also going to show you. As I said, the first sheet really sets the tone. This collage of layered lace is just beautiful. Then we have some strips of lace over on the side, all against a weathered wood background. Just a really fun combination. The back side is an all-over pattern, lots of lace here, very distressed and kind of faded back too. Here we have a pattern with that bold lace along the side, and then some scuffing right up here too. So really, really, again, an aged look. Wow, we have some very beautiful artwork here, and there's a ghosted back of the distressed wood behind it, but it's in that same coral, so it's not enough to really jump at you and say, pay attention. It's really a great support paper. This I love, and this beautiful collection of layered lace along the side of it is just absolutely beautiful. I always feel and say that you can make 4 cards out of every single 12 by 12. So if you were to do 1 card here, maybe another longer one there, then you would have 2 others that would be with the barnwood. Very, very useful. The back of it is just the weathered wood, just all by itself. Our stripe has all kinds of pieces from this collection. All of the layered lace, all the bits and pieces of it, just beautifully done. You might want to cut this apart and use it that way, or use it as a background. Then we have a very ghosted back, very tiny floral dahlias that are just absolutely beautiful right there. And then an all over, I think this is almost my favorite, well, except I really like a couple of the others beautifully well too. But I like how these are all just layered one upon the other. Again, that same wood is in the background, very laid back. And all over the whitewash again, so you've got several of those. And isn't this stunning? I love the dark color. It's nice to have the contrast to use it for matting and so forth, but that beautiful border is just stunning. And then we have a very light all over pattern too. So this is our Lacy Coral. And what goes with it? Well, we've got ribbons. So our brown ribbons, isn't that just really, really pretty? Now, the white ribbons would also work. You can see some really strong whites. Now, our orange also has a peach in it that's going to go with the coral. So there's some pieces in there that will work just very, very nicely with it. Now, also with this, there is a sparklet. So we really like the sparklets. Coral Coast has the coral in it, and this has sequins, it has flat back rhinestones, flat back beads, just a really pretty touch to any paper crafting. Now, what might you do with this? Well, how about a card to begin with? And you can tell the border piece that is being used, as well as the other piece. And these are dazzles, of course they are, and they are in our lace and doilies collection. So you can see these are the large size dazzles, 8 inch by 9 inches. There are 8 sheets in this collection, and they are in gold, silver, black, and white. And you can see the white sheet, well, trust me, the white sheet is what was used here. So beautifully done. The roses were backed with some of the Lacy coral papers, as well as the butterfly. And this is on the center step card, and that is a die-cut card collection we have. You get 5 cards, 5 envelopes. You also get the patterns to cut their papers. So that and these are fun stand-up cards, just like so. And so that's a favorite of the design team around here. Now, how about a scrapbook page? Well, here we go. Isn't that beautiful? I love how Debbie used the sheet that had this giant piece and just cut right along the edge of it and slipped in her matted photo. And don't those white lace and doily dazzles do a nice job of supporting that photograph without overwhelming it? You really see her and what's going on, but it's just a beautiful complement. Our brown ribbons work beautifully. So this is Lacy Coral, a very nice collection that I think you're going to find very useful and very versatile for all your paper crafting.